Good morning, everybody. Well, once again, good morning to me because it is morning. Um, but good morning to you, good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever you guys are watching this. But today we got some bug removal. It's not too hard. We're gonna use all the same products that I used in the last video with the pressure washer, the soap, bucket, and all that stuff. But today we are adding a degreaser, EnviroClean degreaser. There is products where it's a bug removal. It says bug removal, specifically bug removal. But if you don't have that, you can actually use a degreaser, EnviroClean. So it is biodegradable, water-based. So it's not going to be as hard as other products. Not going to be as harsh. So PNS does great products. I've been using them since I started. So since 2015, 16. I've already cleared the car before. I've already sprayed my sealant on it, and you'll see what sealant I use. And for this, we could either use the clay bar or the clay pad, or this is a bug sponge or a bug scrub, whichever way you can think of it, or whichever way you look at it online. This can do very well on taking away bugs. It's a mesh type of outing with a sponge on the inside, and it gets actually really well. I just have it at home because I forget it every time. But you can use this, the bug sponge, or continue using the clay bar, the clay pad. And either way, it's gonna work really well. So if you want, get yourself one of these. Look up online to get yourself one of these. Or like I said, just continue using the clay bar, clay pad. And that's about it. Here are the bugs. So she went up to Sacramento. And if you guys go through the I-5, if you guys know what the I-5 is, that runs all the way up and down California, there is a 99% chance that you will always get bugs. 99%. There might be that 1% if you drive at night, but even at night, since it's in the Central Valley, it gets hot, so mosquitoes and all this, it just sticks to your paint, and all the acid that's in the bugs will stick to the paint. And bug splatter is never good on your paint. If you leave it for too long, all the acid in the bugs will actually eat through your clear coat, go all the way down, get into the paint.
Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
By this time, you should be able to inspect your vehicle, see if there's any bugs left, and if there is, see if I can find anything. There's always going to be bugs on the license plate, but I'm going to take those off later. Some of these are rock chips. So if you see bugs like these, like this, make sure you can rub it off. If you can't rub it off, I'll see how it came off. But if you can't rub it off, go ahead and grab your clay pad, your clay bar, and just give it a little good wipe down, and that's about it. Spray it down. Make sure you spray down this, because this is degreased, it will still have some degreaser on it, so make sure you pressure wash that off real good. After that, go into dry, and that's it. So let me finish this up, and then I'll show you the product. So you just saw me use the little blow dryer, and the reason behind that is because I don't like using towels, just in case I don't wash it right. Some of the towels hold on greatly to contaminants and extra dirt that isn't supposed to be there, or if they're dried wrong, some of the fibers can actually burn and stiffen. So they burn, they stiffen, and they can micro mar the paint or scratch the paint, extra work that you don't want to do, just because they're not paying you for that, for you to mess up somebody else's car. So another reason why I use the blower is because to get out all the cracks. So you get the blower and you just go all through here, under here, all along that. And another great reason is because once the client takes their car, you don't want extra streaking or extra water running, just because why get a clean car if once they leave, it's gonna look dirty again because some streaks can carry a lot of dirt. So another thing, one more thing is, after you use the blow dryer or the leaf blower or whatever, get yourself a good spray wax and make sure it has drying properties. I think that's what they call it. If not, go ahead, go to P&S, not penis, P&S, or the rag company that also holds P&S products. If you can see that there's, yeah, right there, there's actually water droplets. And the best thing you can do is spray it, prime your towel, and then that's all you gotta do. If you really want to, flip your towel around, and then technically that would be your drying one, but I always have two towels. One is my application towel, the second one is my drying one, and that's it. So just like that, you make your car easy, clean, your client's car. Remember, just look at most of the products that you use. Try to see if they're biodegradable. Try to see if they're eco-friendly. Most of that is not going to be too harsh on your car either. But that's it. And if you're new to this video or to this channel, I want to thank you so much. So at the end of the video, I usually say some words of encouragement. And for today, I want to say just slow down. You know, if you're on a rush every single day to work, just get up 15 minutes earlier. I know you're gonna be a little bit more tired, a little bit more groggy, but those 15 minutes can actually possibly save a life. Usually when you're going super fast and in a hurry, you don't see anything on this side. You just see straight. You know your destination, you know where you gotta be. But keep in mind, some people with children in their car drive a little slower because of the children. And if you are going super fast, weaving in and out of traffic and trying to get to your destination as fast as possible because you're just a little late, you don't know what can happen on the other side. So I want to say, slow down, take it easy. On one of your days off, just take a breather, try to get off of social media, try to stay off of your phone as much as possible. I know it's hard nowadays, but stay off of your phone as much as possible. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you, and here's the card.